How to sign in to a different Apple Music account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Further, tap on your Apple ID on top of your screen. You will then see the option for media and purchases. Tap on that and a pop-up will appear. Tap on the sign out option you see there, and you may need to enter your Apple ID password in order to sign yourself out. After signing out, go back to settings and tap on the sign into your iPhone option. Enter the Apple ID and password for the different account. Further, launch the music app and you should be signed in to the new account you were looking forward to. So this is how you can sign into a different Apple Music account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.